Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. If you haven't joined me before, my name's Molly and this is going to be my weekly lunch meal prep video. So I do meal prepping for breakfast and lunch each week. So if you're new here, check out my other videos and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell button so that you get the notification when I post a new video. So I post them weekly on the weekends and so this is going to be this week's lunch. So I'm going to do a really easy recipe. All my recipes are really easy, very healthy. So I'm going to have chicken thighs this week with green beans. I have cherry tomatoes and pesto sauce, and then I'm going to add a little bit of Parmesan cheese on top. So I'm going to cook this all on a skillet on the stove. It'll be really easy, super quick, and our healthy lunch will be ready to go for the week. So I'll put the recipe for this in the description box. Check that out if you want to make it. And I will get this all cooking to have it ready to go for the week. So I have my pan heated on the stove. It's about to medium heat. And I'm going to add all of my chicken thighs into the pan. Once I get them all spread out, I'm going to add a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and a little bit of olive oil onto the pan with these, and then I'm going to cook the chicken thighs for about 5 to 6 minutes for each side until they are cooked all the way through. Okay, so the chicken thighs have cooked on both sides. They're cooked all the way through. So I'm going to remove them. I'm going to put them onto a plate and set them off to the side. I'm actually going to cut them into some small pieces for the meal prep containers. But so with this pan, I'm not going to clean it. I'm going to add in the green beans with all of the juices from the chicken thighs. So I'm going to cook this for about 10 minutes. I'm going to put the lid on and get them nice and tender and ready to go. Alright, so the green beans have cooked for a little while, about 10 minutes. Now I'm going to add in the cherry tomatoes. I'm going to cook these with the green beans for about 2 to 3 minutes just to get them a little bit soft. They're not going to take very long. Okay, so everything is all mixed together, the cherry tomatoes and the green beans. So now I'm going to add in, I have the chicken thighs and I have sliced them into some little strips. So I'm going to add those into everything and mix it all together. And then once I have all of the chicken in, I am going to add the pesto. Like I said, you can make your own pesto sauce if you like, but I just bought this one at the store. So I'm going to add in the pesto. I'm going to toss it all around to coat everything with the sauce. And this is so wonderful. I'm going to let it cool for a bit before I portion it into my meal prep containers. Alright, so everything has cooled. The chicken thighs, green beans, cherry tomatoes with the pesto sauce. So it has been cooling. I'm going to portion it into my meal prep containers. The same ones that I use every week. I'll link these in the description box. They're perfect for meal prepping. If you need some new ones, check these out. I just got them on Amazon. So I'll portion it into our meal prep containers and our lunch will be ready for the week. All right, I'm going to add a little bit of Parmesan cheese on top as well. And this week's healthy meal prep for lunch is all ready to go. So I'll store these in the refrigerator, heat them up in the microwave each day for lunch this week, and we're all set. Thanks for watching. Check the description box for the recipe if you want to make this one. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I appreciate you watching. I hope that you have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.